Hello, everybody, and I hope all is well. My name is Kerwin Stewart, and on today we're going to be talking about basically at that stage academic integrity, doing your own work, telling the truth, using sources and AI with AI, even honestly, because as graduate students, we need to know how to research, integrate with ethics, and much more. All right. So exactly what does academic integrity means? It means submitting your own work, citing and paraphrasing aptly, reporting data, being truthful in your collaborative efforts, following the course policies and instructions every single time. Um, Basically, integrity is not just avoiding plagiarism; it's having an honesty as the first effort and draft before the first draft or even the final citation. Graduate students mean that the public can trust. As a graduate students, we need to know that the public can trust our judgment, our writing based on evidence, and we're not faking the work just to get the degree. We want to be truthful with everything that we do. Next slide. Um, Graduate level research requires these few things. It requires our scholarly sources, meaning peer-reviewed journals, dissertations, credible database, not random internet leftovers, i.e., Google Scholar is a great way. Even the GCU library is another great way to use those resources. Using APA citations, reference every code, paraphrase, or even a borrowed idea. Analyze, not just quote. Basically, graduate students ask for synthesis, critique, and a clear argument. The show method. We must be able to have claims and also back up those claims to be traceable back to the source, even a data, and establish a good scholarship in the information that we're giving out to be transparent and just truthful at all times. So being part of a faith-based organization, faith integration into ethics at GCU, faith is not just a decoration, it's a staple of who we are. I have my bachelor's of science in applied management from GCU, so go Lopes. But faith integration is basically everything that we do. And in the Bible, it says to be honest, it says to be truthful. And uh, as long as we do that, we are in the integration with the faith biblical principles that the organization is founded on for years. How dishonesty undermines graduate students. Well, when you're dishonest, you lose your credibility. And once we know that, hey, once credibility is lost, it's very hard to reestablish that credibility. Trust me, I know in things that I've done in life. Um, so main thing is that, hey, they're basically, our degree loses credibility because we have been dishonest. They'll be like, oh, your degree means nothing because you went to an organization that didn't stand on principles of being honest and truthful. And it affects everything that you do because once you lose your credibility, you lose everything in the process. AI and academics helper, not a ghostwriter. We use AI to help us find our thoughts, but basically, it's not the helper. It's a helper. Sorry, not a ghostwriter. Uh, in every assignment we do, we're supposed to bring our own mindset to the assignment. This is how this is how you go in your work. This is how you become knowledgeable. Don't rely on AI completely for everything. Always verify the facts. Protect privacy and disclosures. Do not submit AI generated text or images for graded work unless your instructor explicitly approves it. Allow users to include brainstorming, planning, summarizing long text. This is all part of, hey, we can use AI to help us put things together. Well, this basically concludes my assignment, and that's all I have. Be blessed and have a great day.